Hey Crusaders, Daryl here. So today I'm going to talk to you about a new product which was given to me by my sister, Wendy, for a retirement gift after retiring from 30 years in law enforcement here for my local municipality. And today what I'm going to talk about is the Aged in Ore Flight Kit. All right, Aged in Ore Flight Kit. So let's go ahead and open this up and let me show you what it's all about. Okay, y'all, so the Aged in Ore, this is the bottle flight kit, okay? It's a premium set of 4 bottles, which are 3 ounces apiece. Now, each bottle, and I'll show you in just a minute, is covered in silicone. And on one side, there's a glass window that has the measurements. And on the other side of the glass, it's just an open glass window. Now, let me go ahead and open this up and you can see exactly what it is. So first, this traveling case, it's nice and thick. It has a little bit of padding to it, but it has rigid sides. It also has a carrying loop right here, which would be good if you had a carabiner or something and you needed to hook it inside your backpack or wherever. Or for me, I'm going to be taking this overlanding and off-roading and camping. So I might be able to hook it to my Molle panel on the back of my seat so I know where it is. So let's go ahead and open this. It's just a simple zipper. And if you notice, inside, try and get a little closer to you. Inside, it's nice. It almost feels like it's a velvet type material. This right here is a marking pen. I'll set that there for right now. But here's the bottles. If you notice, if you can see that, this has the numbers on one side and this has the clear on this side. You can mark down what you put inside the bottle. So if you want to say bourbon, you can write bourbon on it, right? So that's what that does. These bottles are dishwasher safe. They are wrapped in silicone, and you do not need to take the silicone off the bottles. All right. So these bottles are 3 ounces, which is the maximum amount of ounces per bottle for TSA purposes when flying. So if you happen to take it with you, these are TSA regulated ounces. The caps just screw off, and you can put them in the same slot that you usually put your silverware. If you notice, it does have an O-ring. It feels like a silicone O-ring on the top of the mouth. And let's see if I can get it in there. Silicone O-ring. So once you put the lid on, it's nice and secure. One thing about these bottles and what the designers of these bottles wanted to do, if you notice, it has a nice wide mouth to it. So there's less ability to spill either when you're filling or when you're filling your glass. Now, something that they also designed, I don't know if it'll fit in one of mine, but their glassware that they also sell, you can actually slide it inside the fancy glass. So like for me, this is my Glencairn. It's not going to fit with the silicone. It won't fit on it. Okay. But if you purchase one of their glasses, it's a dual purpose where you can slide the bottle in and then you can travel with that. So that's something to think about if you go to Aged in Ore and buy one of these premium flight kits. So this one right here is their gray case. Now they do come in different colors. I like the gray because even if it gets a little dirty, it's not going to show the dirt as easy. They do have other variations of colors like a reddish maroon, green, so on and so forth. So, but this is the Aged in Ore Premium Bottle Flight Kit. If you're interested in this product, you can go to their website, agedandor.com, and see all their options. They also have another flight kit that is, I think, called their Excel, or all I know is it's twice as big. So instead of only having one row of bottles, it'll actually be like the size of 2 bottles. And you can interchange, or you can add the single bottles to their kit. So if you wanted to take out one 6-ounce bottle, you can put 2 3-ounce bottles in its place. Something I failed to mention with this is if you want to carry cigars also, you can go ahead and face the bottle. If you replace 2 of these bottles, see how they fit this way? So you can technically carry 2 3-ounce bottles of your favorite beverage, and then you can put your cigars right on the top here. So that works out pretty handy too. So it's multi-purpose use. So if you're into cigars and you're into whiskey, this would be something good for you to look into. For me, as you can tell behind me, I enjoy bourbon. I have the occasional drink, but I do like collecting. When I go out on the trails to go camping or overlanding, not while I'm driving, but when we settle in for the night, I don't mind having a glass just to unwind, especially depending on who you go traveling with. Some people are really laid back. Some people can stress you out. So it's nice to be able to unwind with something like this. Now, if you're a wine drinker, you could also use this for your wine too. Like I said, these bottles are 3 ounces each. So depending on how long your trips are, most pours are about 1.5 ounces. So you're looking at 2 servings for here. The wine, you might be looking at 3-ounce serving of wine. So you can conceivably have 4 servings of wine. All right. So a huge thank you to my sister Wendy and my brother-in-law Scott. You've seen them before on my videos. My sister drives the Bronco and my brother-in-law drives the Jeep. So they were nice enough, like I said, to give this to me for a retirement gift after 30 years of service in law enforcement here in my county. So Aged in Ore, currently their website, I believe, they're showing around $48 for these. I think they also have an Amazon store, so you can check them out on Amazon. So in the description, whatever I can find on their product, I will put in the description, and that way you guys can go ahead and use it. So remember, you can use it for any fluids, but since I like to have a drink occasionally, I'm going to use it for my bourbon or my whiskeys. You could use them if you're traveling with a child for juice. So that's something to think about. One last thing about the product, they are wrapped in silicone around the bottles. The purpose for that is so when they're banging, they're not going to clank around, the glass isn't going to break, and your liquids are going to be intact. All right. So remember, this is Aged in Ore. It's their 4-bottle premium flight kit. They are 3 ounces a piece. They are TSA approved. They're wrapped in silicone so they won't break. They have the measurements on one side and the area where you can write on another side. They have the marking pen or marking pencil, whichever one you're going to call it. And it does come with 4 bottles in the case. Remember, if you're a cigar smoker and you want some whiskey with cigars, just remove 2 of the bottles, lay them horizontally, and then you can have cigars in there as well. All right, it comes in a beautiful zippered case that is actually going to have some durability. Remember, it has the handle loop here, which you could put a carabiner on it and hook it somewhere so it doesn't fall under something or fall out or get broken. All right, Crusaders. So remember, this is the Aged in Ore bottle flight, clear windows so you can mark what you're drinking, in a carrying case. And this right here is an excellent idea for anybody who travels, anybody who enjoys sharing their whiskeys with someone else or wines. And it's a great piece of kit. And once again, thank you to Wendy and Scott for this gift. And I can't wait to try it out. And so remember, Aged in Ore bottle flake kit. So Crusaders, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was informative. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and of course comment, good, bad, or indifferent. I always enjoy comments, so make sure you comment. And as always, God bless, and I hope to see each and every one of you on your own adventure. Don't forget, Save Expo, or SAVE, Southeast Adventure Vehicle Expo, is going to be here for 2026, just about an hour north of me, Keystone Heights, Florida. And that is probably, in my opinion, the premier overland expo for the eastern coast of the United States. All right. I'll be there as a trail leader doing trail rides, and I'll also be in the Sunshine State Adventure Outfitters booth. So come see me and make sure you make it to SAVE. And make sure you get your Aged in Ore bottle flake kit.